First impressions, a looker on the road. The Ignyte IGN 8 helmet grabs your attention right out of the box. It has a sleek and modern design. The lines are sharp and aggressive. This helmet definitely looks the part. I got my hands on the silver and black version. It looks fantastic. The paint quality is top-notch. It feels like it will last for years to come. When you pick it up, the IGN 8 feels solid and well-made. It doesn't feel cheap or flimsy. This is important for any helmet, but it's even more crucial for something responsible for your safety. The helmet feels substantial without being overly heavy. It strikes a good balance between durability and comfort. This is something you'll appreciate on long rides. The overall aesthetic is sporty and modern. It will appeal to a wide range of riders. Whether you ride a sport bike, a cruiser, or a commuter, the IGN 8 will complement your style. The helmet is available in a variety of colors. You can find one that suits your personality and your ride. Built to last ABS material and quality. The Ignyte IGN 8 is constructed from ABS material. This is a tough and impact-resistant thermoplastic. ABS is a popular choice for motorcycle helmets. It offers a good balance of strength, weight, and affordability. The material feels sturdy and capable of handling impacts. The helmet's shell is designed to distribute impact forces evenly. This reduces the amount of energy transferred to your head in an accident. The interior of the helmet features a high-density EPS liner. This liner provides further impact absorption. It helps to cushion your head from blows. The build quality of the IGN 8 is impressive. The various components of the helmet fit together snugly and securely. There are no rough edges or imperfections. The paint is smooth and evenly applied. The visor mechanism feels robust and operates smoothly. It gives you confidence in its durability. Safety first, protection you can trust. When it comes to motorcycle helmets, safety is paramount. The Ignyte IGN 8 takes safety seriously. It meets the ISI standard. This means it has undergone rigorous testing. It's been proven to provide a high level of protection in the event of an accident. The helmet's impact-absorbing EPS liner is a key safety feature. It helps to dissipate impact forces and protect your head. The helmet also features a secure chin strap with a quick-release buckle. This ensures that the helmet stays securely in place during an impact. It allows you to quickly and easily remove it if necessary. The IGN 8's visor also plays a role in safety. It is made from scratch-resistant polycarbonate. It provides excellent visibility in all lighting conditions. The visor is also treated with an anti-fog coating. This helps to keep your vision clear, even in humid or rainy conditions. Section 4. Comfort and fit ride all day long. A motorcycle helmet can be the safest in the world, but if it's not comfortable, you're less likely to wear it. The Ignyte IGN 8 excels in the comfort department. The helmet's inner padding is plush and comfortable. It provides a snug and secure fit without feeling too tight. The padding is also removable and washable. This allows you to keep your helmet fresh and hygienic. This is a huge plus for riders who frequently ride in hot weather. A well-ventilated helmet is crucial for staying cool and comfortable on long rides. The IGN 8 has multiple vents strategically placed around the shell. These vents allow for excellent airflow. They help to keep your head cool and prevent overheating. The vents are easy to operate, even while wearing gloves. You can adjust the ventilation to your liking. This ensures a comfortable ride in a variety of weather conditions. Section 5. Visor System. Clear vision, come rain or shine. The Ignyte IGN 8 features a dual visor system. It includes a clear outer visor and an internal sun visor. The clear visor provides excellent visibility in all lighting conditions. It is scratch-resistant and treated with an anti-fog coating. This ensures clear vision, even in challenging conditions. The internal sun visor is a great feature for sunny days. It is easy to deploy and retract using a lever located on the side of the helmet. The sun visor effectively reduces glare and eye strain. It allows you to focus on the road ahead. The dual visor system provides excellent versatility. It ensures optimal visibility in a variety of riding conditions. The visor mechanism on the IGN 8 is smooth and easy to operate. The visor locks securely in place when closed. There is no rattling or vibration at speed. This attention to detail enhances both the comfort and safety of the helmet. Section 6. Final verdict. Is the Ignyte IGN 8 worth it? The Ignyte IGN 8 motorcycle helmet is a great option for riders looking for a stylish, safe, and comfortable helmet. It boasts a modern design, solid build quality, and impressive safety features. The helmet's comfortable fit, effective ventilation, and convenient dual visor system make it a great choice for daily commutes and long rides alike. Pros, stylish and modern design, sturdy ABS construction, ISI certified for safety, comfortable and well-ventilated, convenient dual visor system, excellent value for the price. Cons. Some riders may find the helmet slightly noisy at high speeds. Overall, the Ignyte IGN 8 is an excellent value for the price. It offers a great combination of style, safety and comfort. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just starting out, the IGN 8 is definitely worth considering. It's a reliable and stylish companion that will keep you safe and comfortable on the road.